Hello everyone, so today I was thinking of showing you guys the Siine keyboard. It actually costs money. I bought it pretty cheap. It was like 50% off, I think. And so yeah, let's just show you this keyboard here. As you can see, it's a pretty nice layout. I'm Swedish, so you don't have like the Swedish letters, but if you hold this one, for example, you have this here, and you have that one and some others, and yeah, that's pretty nice. And if I would just write like, hi, my name is Simon. Yeah, if I'm just going to delete this text, I can like hold that one, and I can just hold that one and swipe like this if I want to delete more than one letter, or if I want to delete everything. So that's pretty nice, nice effect. And if you need letters, you just click there for this letters and some symbols. And I think that this keyboard is pretty nice, but it's hard to start to you know, recognize everything. And I mean, its layout is so unique, and you can just slide like this for emoticons, emotes like smile, wink, stuff like that. So that's pretty nice. And yeah, and yeah, I mean, this keyboard is kind of hard to get into if you're used to other keyboards. Because there's not much keyboards that have this build up. So yeah, that's pretty, you know, yeah, hard to learn. So yeah, that's pretty much all for this video. Bye.